Only the best baby and kids clothes at smilingavery.com. Welcome to today's in-depth report on a recent arrest that highlights a pressing issue in our society. We will discuss the arrest of a Wellington man for child exploitation, the legal implications, and what's being done to combat this alarming problem. A 23-year-old Wellington man has been arrested for his alleged involvement in the online exploitation of children. He's scheduled to appear in the Porirua District Court today. The charges brought against him are severe. 1 count each of exporting, distributing, and possessing objectionable publications. These charges can result in penalties of up to 10 to 14 years of imprisonment. The alarm was raised when the US-based National Centre for Missing and Exploited Children, NCMEC, notified New Zealand Customs about a series of objectionable video files that the man had uploaded on social media. Customs swiftly identified the suspect and executed a search warrant at his residence in Porirua. On-site, electronic forensic investigators analyzed his phone, confirming that he had shared multiple videos of child sexual abuse on social media and messaging platforms. According to Kesta Dennison, acting chief customs officer of the Child Exploitation Operations Team, this case is a stark reminder of alleged offenders acting with complete disregard for the victims and the unsuspecting families affected by their online activities. Customs has a dedicated team working tirelessly alongside international and domestic partners to identify and protect potential victims and apprehend offenders. Their technological capabilities and investigative expertise are powerful tools to track down online predators, EMS. Dennison issues a clear warning to online predators. Our investigators will find you and we will stop you. Customs investigations are ongoing, and further charges may be filed as a result. The arrest of the Wellington man serves as a sobering reminder of the importance of combating child exploitation. In today's interconnected world, it is crucial to be vigilant and proactive in protecting children and vulnerable individuals from such heinous crimes. If you have any information or suspect child exploitation in your community, report it immediately to the authorities. Together, we can make a difference in preventing and eradicating child exploitation. In a highly unusual case that shook Auckland, an international radio host fell victim to a nearly successful assassination attempt, revealing a dark plot orchestrated by an unexpected source. Harnik Singh, an Auckland-based radio host, became the target of a vicious attack that left him with over 40 stab wounds. His quick thinking saved his life that night, but the consequences of the assault are far-reaching. Behind this shocking act were a convicted trio. The mastermind, with interim name suppression, held a deep-seated resentment towards Singh for his political views and liberal interpretation of their shared Sikh faith. He recruited individuals to carry out the attack, illustrating a case marked by religious fanaticism and violence. Sentenced to 13.5 years, the mastermind faced a strong judgment emphasizing community protection and deterrence. Harnik Singh, in his victim impact statement, highlighted the physical and psychological toll on himself and his family, revealing the profound impact of the attack. Singh's words echoed resilience in the face of fear, emphasizing that no one is above the law, not even religion. He stood unwavering in his commitment to express his beliefs, delivering a powerful message that actions have consequences, regardless of one's beliefs. The courtroom drama unfolded with defense seeking leniency based on the defendant's character and upbringing, while the prosecution pressed for the severity of the case. Ultimately, the judge aligned with the prosecution's stance, affirming the seriousness of the premeditated attack. Accomplices were also held accountable, one sentenced to imprisonment for direct involvement, another for aiding after the fact. Testimonies shed light on the brainwashing and involvement of these individuals in the harrowing events. The sentencing brought a sense of closure, marking a significant chapter in this complex case. However, the aftermath of such a grave incident leaves a lasting impact on the community and legal proceedings. In a chilling reminder that actions bear consequences, this case stands as a testament to justice prevailing over religious extremism and violence, resonating with implications far beyond its courtroom setting. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis on significant cases impacting our communities. Remember, justice is blind to ideologies, and the rule of law prevails even in the face of adversity. Emergency services were summoned to a distressing situation just before noon in Wainuiomata. A call reporting family harm led officers to a Coast Ard property. Details emerged of a man allegedly threatening a woman with a weapon. Upon arrival, police encountered a tense scenario: a man in an agitated state holding a weapon to a woman's neck. Efforts to defuse the situation began as officers cordoned off the area, aiming to negotiate with the man. However, despite these attempts, the threat persisted. Tragically, the confrontation escalated, leading to a fatal outcome. The man was shot around 1 p.m. despite immediate medical assistance. Regrettably, the man succumbed to his injuries at the scene. Remarkably, the woman, although threatened, emerged physically unharmed. Addressing the press, Wellington District Commander Supt Corey Parnell shed light on the relationship between the individuals, citing they were believed to be in a relationship. While the man was highly agitated, authorities confirmed the weapon wasn't a firearm, maintaining tight-lipped about its exact nature. Investigations are underway, with a comprehensive probe initiated, including a critical incident investigation by the police. As a standard protocol, the Independent Police Conduct Authority has been alerted, emphasizing a commitment to transparency and accountability. The scene remains under examination, with ongoing police presence to ensure community reassurance in the area. While investigations continue, support is being extended to the woman affected by this distressing incident. Stay tuned for updates as authorities delve deeper into this tragic event, committed to uncovering the truth and ensuring accountability. Police have recently made a significant breakthrough in the investigation surrounding the disappearance of Tauranga resident Harley Shrimpton. Harley Shrimpton was reported missing by family members on November 17th, sparking an extensive search effort by authorities. Last seen entering a blue Toyota Prius in a local McDonald's car park on November 3rd, concerns arose due to the circumstances surrounding his disappearance. The vehicle, taken from the Bellevue area and later recovered by the police, became a crucial element in the investigation. The absence of sightings and the nature of events led authorities to suspect possible foul play. Specialist squads and forensic experts were brought in to conduct extensive searches of properties in the Western Bay of Plenty, signaling the gravity of the situation. Detective Inspector Lindsay Pilbrow emphasized the urgency of the situation, stressing the need for public cooperation. The family, deeply distressed by Harley's disappearance, reached out to the public for any information. Their heartfelt plea for help echoed throughout the community, emphasizing the urgency of finding Harley and bringing him home. Amidst the distressing situation, the police worked tirelessly, supported by the family and the community. Their collective determination highlighted the importance of community support in such cases, aiming for justice and closure. As the investigation continues, the police urge anyone with relevant information, even if confidential, to come forward. Your assistance could be pivotal in uncovering crucial details and aiding the ongoing investigation to find Harley Shrimpton. Our thoughts are with Harley's family during this difficult time. Let us stand together, united in the effort to bring Harley back home and ensure justice prevails. Remember, your contribution matters. Spread awareness, share this information, and help bring closure to Harley Shrimpton's disappearance. Thank you for watching. Only the best baby and kids clothes at smilingavery.com, a baby and kids clothing store like no other. Link in bio/description.